Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Install WhatsApp Business or the designated autoresponder app and verify your phone number now. Create 3 templates: greeting, away, and a short, quick reply. Keep them under 200 characters each. Once done, grant required permissions, notifications, background data, and accessibility access if the app needs it. This lets the autoresponder run reliably. Make sure your device battery optimization won't stop background processes, because that will break automation. You now configure the core rules and message flows so automation behaves intelligently. Define triggers using keywords, time windows such as business hours, and contact lists or tags to target responses. Map each trigger to a specific template and insert variables like name or time to personalize replies. Once configured, test flows with at least 3 different contacts to cover variations. If messages misfire, adjust trigger sensitivity and timing. Make sure delays are reasonable to avoid duplicate replies and to keep conversations natural. You finish by finalizing backups, monitoring performance, and knowing the main fix if things go wrong. Turn on logging or cloud export so message history and rule settings are preserved. Then monitor response rates and any missed or false-triggered messages for the first 48 hours. Tweak templates and timing based on real usage. If the autoresponder suddenly stops, immediately restart the app, reapply permissions, and check battery optimization. This restart plus regranting access is the most reliable single fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.